Where do you park at? At Larry? Mike Papa, turn left on Alpha and then hold short up runway 8 left at Alpha 5. Okay, we'll turn left here on Alpha and hold short of the 8 left on Alpha 5 for 30 Mike Papa. Correct, 1401, runway 8 left Alpha.